Yo guys, what's going on? My name is DMark and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube that looks something like this. So to start off, we're just going to press File, New, and make sure that our document is 1280 by 720 with transparent background contents. And to start off, you need a background. So go on the internet and search abstract backgrounds. That's my favorite search to do for backgrounds. I found this background by searching abstract backgrounds. So I'm just gonna use this one in my document. Alright, so once you've selected your background, you want to make some edits to it so it looks better. So first you need to go on curves and change the curves so it looks brighter and crisper, and I think that looks better. And now we're gonna go to brightness and contrast and change it to whatever you think looks best for the image. I'm gonna do 15:15. Alright, now once you've done that, this is totally optional, but I like to add a little gradient of gray to whatever color you want your project to be. So like my thumbnail is mostly blue, so I'm gonna do gray to blue and press OK. And of course lower the opacity if you want so it's not so overbearing. So it doesn't look like it changed too much, but it made it a little brighter on the bottom and a little more blue, so I think that looks good. Now once you've done that, you can go on the internet and search for textures. I like this glass texture that I found, and I also have a grunge texture that I use. So make sure it's right above the background layer and choose a blending option and lower the opacity to about 50%. Okay, and I'm also gonna pull over the grunge overlay, and I think those two together really make this thumbnail look really nice. So once you have, that's the background all done. So now you need to add some text. So just go to the type tool and start typing whatever word you want to. I'm going to be using DK Sensory Overload, and I'll leave a link to a website down below where you can get free fonts. Alright, so once you've typed your words, make sure that each word's on a separate layer and size them so that they're about the same size. It doesn't need to be perfect, but just make sure that they look similar. And press Control on both of them and move them, and then you can press Control A and select the fifth option, which will center them. Now double click on one of the layers, which will bring up layer styles, and I like to add a stroke of black size 1, a gradient overlay of this gray overlay I made, which is basically dark gray to light gray, and I do like 60% or 80% depending on what the thumbnail looks like. Now we're gonna add a drop shadow of about 0, 15, 15. So I think that looks good. Now we're just going to copy that layer style and paste it onto the other text. Now what I like to do is double click on this new text and change the gradient so it kind of matches the thumbnail, because it adds some color to the thumbnail when the text is two different colors. I think it looks better like that. So then, of course, you need to increase the opacity. Now that's our thumbnail. It's all done, and you can save it and use it like this. But there's one last thing I like to add, which makes it stand out so much compared to other thumbnails on YouTube. And it might sound really weird, but all you have to do is search TV PNG or old TV PNG, and it will bring up these old TVs with cutout screens. So all you need to do is make the rest of the TV white and use the screen, and as you can see, it makes like a curved border, and I added inner shadow and of course the color overlay white, so the white blends in with the YouTube homepage, and it really just makes your thumbnail stand out compared to others, which will hopefully make people click on it. And that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. This is the thumbnail and it's all done. I hope you liked this video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like down below. If we can get 15 likes, I'll release the template for this. So there you go, a free thumbnail template for if we get 15 likes. So make sure, if the video isn't on 15 likes yet, make sure you like it to get it there. And comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And of course, if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure you do that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day. Peace out.